Alright, so we're starting off a little different today. Well, it's actually tonight, but beautiful Saturday night. We got the Bean out, got Trav out and his EG, and a couple other guys, and Turbo Cobalt rolling with us tonight. So let's go for a little rip. I did upload a different tune in the Bean, so it's kind of running a little bit weird, but whatever. I have the laptop if need be. Everyone cruises, or some people try to race here, idiots. I'll probably try to race here. No, I won't. I'm just kidding. But yeah. some on the license plate, so. Some weekends the street is just packed with racers and muscle cars and way too lifted trucks, smoky diesels, but I don't really see anybody out today so far. Whatever. What up, thug?
Hello, brother.
You're YouTube famous, unless you don't want to be, which I'll just stop video.
Yeah, get at me.
Ooh,
How's it going?
how's it going? Damn.
Hello, Kristen. I thought you were Trav.
No,
Definitely not.
Trav's coming, him and Richie and whoever else.
Oh, nice.
They got separated. Bro, why are you following me?
We like drifting it.
Alright, so I'm trying to find Trav. Apparently his fuel pump's still having issues and it's leaving him stranded somewhere, but we're kind of miscommunicado, so get to one place where he was and then get a text and be like, no update, I'm over here now. So we're just kind of back roading around this looking for him. Hopefully we can get him sorted out. He'll make it home. It sucks that he's having these issues. Anyway, we'll update you when we get there. It's turning into quite the adventure. I'm not even wearing my adventure pants. Alright, we found him. Take off your seatbelt till you're done. He doesn't look happy. Why are my lights so wonky? You ever do that?
Nope.
Weird.
Yeah, it's fucking 8-year-old. The key on.
Pump. Right there. It's on.
The whole field now.
Okay, go.
Fuck's sakes.
Just go. Oh. Why do we even do these things? Is this even fun? There's a chocolate bar beside my seat. Alright, so he's making it to the spot. Hopefully. He's on her a little bit quicker than I was, so hopefully he makes it there. I don't know how he's making it home. I don't have any back seats.
Rough roads.
Somebody got pulled over doing something dumb. See this guy? I don't want to get too close until you start on fire. I don't want to get too close unless you start on fire. Or me. Alright, so we may be getting kicked out of the parking lot because somebody was being an idiot before we got here. These people think that arguing with a cop is just gonna, oh yeah, you're gonna change his mind, bro. Yeah, okay, yeah, no, we're gonna bounce. No need for this. Find a different parking lot to hang out in like childish children. Alright. You're rolling. Looks like most everyone has the same idea. Thanks, buddy. All right, made her back safe and sound. I had to stop about probably 5 times on the way home. Travis' fuel pump would shut off, and then he'd crawl underneath and smack it a little bit, and kick back on, and then he could boogie on for another, I don't know, 10K. Sometimes, as we got closer, it must have been getting warmed up because it was definitely shutting off every like block and a half. So what a pain. He needs a new pump. Like and subscribe so Trav can get a new pump. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. If it was all over the place, I understand. I was paying attention to other stuff. But anyway, have a good one.